Welcome to Quiet Wild Stories. Here, we explore the hidden lives of animals, their strange adaptations, quiet resilience, and gentle beauty. Subscribe to the channel and join our journey. In a quiet meadow filled with wildflowers, a small creature begins its daily work, moving from blossom to blossom, collecting nectar and pollen. The honeybee is one of the most important animals on Earth. Though small and often overlooked, honeybees play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. Hidden within hollow trees, wooden boxes, and natural shelters lies a bustling city. A single honeybee colony may contain 20,000 to 60,000 bees, each with a specific role. At the center of this society is the queen bee. Her primary task is to lay eggs, sometimes more than 2,000 in a single day, ensuring the colony continues to grow. Surrounding her are thousands of worker bees, all female. They clean the hive, feed young larvae, build honeycomb, defend the colony, and gather food. The few male bees, known as drones, have a single purpose: to mate with a queen. Inside the hive, worker bees construct an incredible structure made entirely of wax. These perfectly shaped hexagonal cells form the honeycomb. The hexagon is not random. It is the most efficient shape for storing honey while using the least amount of wax. Within these tiny chambers, bees store honey, pollen, and developing young. Honeybees possess one of the most remarkable communication systems in the animal world. When a worker bee finds a rich patch of flowers, she returns to the hive and performs a unique movement known as the waggle dance. By moving her body in a specific pattern, she tells other bees where the flowers are, how far away they are, and even the direction of the sun. Through this dance, thousands of bees can quickly locate new food sources. As bees travel from flower to flower collecting nectar, pollen sticks to the tiny hairs covering their bodies. When they visit the next flower, some of this pollen is transferred. This process, known as pollination, allows plants to reproduce. In fact, about 1/3 of the food humans eat depends on pollinators like bees. Without them, many fruits, vegetables, and nuts would become rare. The nectar bees collect is brought back to the hive, where it undergoes an extraordinary transformation. Worker bees pass the nectar from one bee to another, gradually reducing its water content. They then store it inside honeycomb cells. By fanning their wings, bees evaporate remaining moisture until thick, golden honey is formed. This honey becomes the colony's food supply during winter when flowers disappear. The life of a worker honeybee is short but filled with purpose. During summer, a worker bee may live only 5 to 6 weeks. Yet during that time, she performs many jobs within the hive before eventually becoming a forager, flying out in search of flowers. Over her lifetime, a single bee may produce less than a teaspoon of honey. But together, thousands of bees create the sweet stores that sustain the colony. Honeybees are peaceful creatures, but they fiercely defend their home. Guard bees watch the hive entrance, detecting intruders by scent. If threatened, they may sting to protect their colony. For the bee, this act is often fatal, but it ensures the safety of the hive and its queen. Today, honeybees face many challenges, including habitat loss, pesticides, and disease. Yet their role in pollination makes them essential to ecosystems around the world. Protecting bees helps protect the plants, animals, and food systems that depend on them. In fields and gardens, across forests and farms, the quiet work of the honeybee continues, a tiny creature carrying the future of countless plants on its wings. And in the hidden world of nature, its story is far greater than its size.